Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow or not allow SMS or text permissions on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So if you want to change the setting for any particular app of this nature on your phone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and you want to select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the security and privacy tile. And then you want to scroll down again and select underneath privacy versus privacy controls. And then select the permission manager tile up at the top. And then you want to scroll down underneath where it says SMS. Go ahead and select that. So apps with this permission can send and view SMS messages. Go ahead and select whatever app you want to change the permission for, and you can either allow or don't allow it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.